Hello guys, George here. We have a new project. It's brand new Land Rover Defender. The client wanted to change the roof from original material to Alcantara leather. This work was completed within 3 days.
The 2024 Land Rover Defender continues to be a robust off-road SUV that blends rugged capability with modern luxury. Signature boxy, utilitarian design with modern touches like LED headlights, durable materials suitable for rugged use, but refined enough for a luxury feel. Premium materials with customizable options such as leather upholstery, fabric seat options, and wood or metal trim accents practical interior with numerous storage spaces, including a front jump seat optional in place of the center console. The 2024 Defender offers a unique balance of modern luxury, tech, and legendary off-road capability, suitable for a range of drivers, from adventurous off-roaders to those who prefer luxurious yet practical SUV or city driving.
In this part, we finish the work. Headliner with new Alcantara ceiling is installed in the car. It remains to connect the electrical connections. Would you like to know more specific details like pricing, customization options? Call me to direct line at 310-435-8417.